and all. I am Yash from class 15. Today's quote of the day is, if not willing to run, no one can help you. If you are determined to run, no one can stop you. I repeat, if you are not willing to run, no one can help you. If you are determined to run, no one can stop you. Thank you.
Yes, next Radha is going to deliver a speech on the topic why women are great leaders. Everyone, today I, Radha Sharma of class 15 would like to speak a speech about why are women great leaders. Leadership is one's ability to influence others to achieve common goals. To accomplish this, a leader needs to possess skills that can effectively communicate goals, motivate others, help others improve, give support when needed, and ensure the well-being of subordinates. Survey results from both supervisors and subordinates showed that people believe female leaders are better at both communicating with others and showing consideration. In a study that examined gender and leadership styles, researchers found that compared to male leaders, female leaders use more transformational and also engage in more of the contingent reward behaviors, this for that in a consistent manner. Meanwhile, male leaders tend to manage by exception style, only intervene when the problems become severe or along with the laissez-faire leadership absent when needed. What does this mean? Compared to male leaders, female leaders are more likely to attend to followers' personal needs, be open to new ideas and other opinions, and reward the satisfactory performance of followers in a consistent manner. On the other hand, male leaders are statistically more likely to only stress meeting standards, reach until problems become severe before attending to them, and withdraw or be absent during critical junctures. Furthermore, studies show females are less narcissistic than males. Thus, female leaders tend to adopt democratic or participative style and a less autocratic or directive style than men. This study also points out that the traditional gender stereotypes that female leaders tend to focus more on interpersonal aspects as opposed to task-oriented aspects of leadership does not hold up in analysis. Simplify put, female leaders don't emphasize completion of tasks, less and more on interpersonal relationships that their male counterparts do. Thank you and have a nice day.
Very good. Well done, very good.
Today I am going to recite a poem on the months. January brings the snow that makes our feet and fingers glow. February brings the rain, thaws the frozen thorns again. March brings breezes loud and shrill, kills the dancing daffodil. April brings the primrose sweet, scatters daisies at our feet. May brings flocks of pretty lambs. May brings flocks of pretty lambs keeping by their fleecy dams. June brings tulips, lilies, roses, fills the children's hand with voices. Hot July brings cooling showers, strawberries and gillyflowers. August brings the shaves of corn, then the harvest home is born. Palm September brings the fruit, sportsmen then begin to shoot. Fresh October brings the pheasant, then together nuts is pleasant. Dull November brings the blast, then the leaves are falling fast. Chill December brings the sweet blazing fire and Christmas tree. Happy winters to all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now, next Navya is coming to tell us about today's news headlines. Good morning, everyone. So today I am Navya from class 5th. So today's headlines are: giving lecture tickets to Muslim women against Islam. Ahmedabad crippling spark probe. Gujarat passed 2 polls over 2.5 CR voters to elect 93 legislators.
Ma'am, to make these circuits, and they are only from 6th class. These circuits really do look beautiful. They're simple circuits with a few wires and a battery, and some have used a fan and others have used LED lights. They are quite nice for a grade of 6th class. Thank you.
Show to the students also. Go. Show to the students now.
जितने भी हैं सभी आ जाए जल्दी से और सभी बच्चे